2 years ago, my friend and I decided to join the school tournament for cornhole. Now, we should have learned how to play the game beforehand because we got destroyed in the first round. We weren't even able to score 1 point. Now, I learned a very important lesson that you need to know the game before you play the game. And that's why I'm here to teach you how to play cornhole and the ways to play, the setup, and how to score. Now, the setup is pretty easy. You need a standard cornhole board like this one right here with 4 bags of one color and 4 bags of the other. You need to set it on an open, flat space about 40 feet apart. Now, if you need to move it closer, you should be able to if it's just a backyard game. Now, there are only 2 ways to play the game of cornhole. You can play a singles match or a doubles match. The singles match, you and your opponent line up on each side of the cornhole board. Now you take turns throwing each bag until you're out, and then you go to the other end and tally up your score. Once you tally up, you then take the bags, you throw them back to where you started, and tally up again. You repeat until the game is over. Now, how the game ends is one team reaches the appropriate number. You set this number yourself. Most people go with 21. You can go with 11, 25, it doesn't matter. Now, how to score. As you throw in the bags, you are always going to aim to get it inside that hole right there. That hole is worth 3 points if you can get it in. Now, if you miss and just landed on the board, that's 1 point. And you add up your points using 2 different methods. You can use the gross method, where you just tally up all your points and add them all to the total score. Or you can use the net method, which you take your points, you subtract them, and the team with remaining points gains those remaining points. But you always want to avoid a foul. Your throw will be determined a foul if you say step over the line, which is right in front of the cornhole board like this, or if you hit, say, the ground before getting on the board, or if you hit a tree limb. Now that I've given you the information on how to set up, the ways to play, and how to score, you are ready to dominate any tailgate you go to. But always remember, it is just a game.